Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit fine at your home. बच्चे today we will do practice of cursive combined I to L. Okay? First you have to make standing line. पहले आपको standing line बनानी है, फिर आपको curve लगा देनी है यहाँ पे. Then you have to make slanting line, then sleeping. Okay? This is cursive I. Now you have to make a small cursive I. Like you have to start from here, go to this black line, then come down like this. Then just put a dot over it. I. Now again, first you have to make standing line, then curve, then slanting line, sleeping, like this. Okay? Again, first you have to make standing line, then curve, then you have to make slanting line, then sleeping. Then start from here, you have to go up to this, then come down like this. I. Okay, what is this? Alphabet I. Now you have to make J. First you have to make standing line from red line to the another red line like this. Then you have to make slanting line, sleeping line, then make a round. You have to take it up to black line like this. Then again make a standing line, then again make a round. Then you have to put a dot upon it. First you make standing line from red line to another red line like this. Then you have to make slanting line, then sleeping, make a round, go to black line, again standing line, then round, then put a dot. Big standing line, then slanting line, then again sleeping line here, then make a round, then come to the black line, again you have to make a standing line, then again round, then put a dot upon it. Okay? First you have to make standing line, रेड लाइन से लेके दूसरी रेड लाइन तक आपने स्टैंडिंग लाइन लगानी है पहले. देन मेक अ स्लांटिंग लाइन, देन स्लीपिंग, देन मेक अ राउंड फ्रॉम हेयर एंड go to black line, then again come down by making a standing line, then make a round, put a dot here. I, J. Now we will do K. How to make K? First you have to make standing line, curve, here you have to make a slanting line, then simple K as you make before. Okay, like this. Then you have to take this line to the red one like this. Then make a round. Then again when you make a round, then again you have to make a standing line like this. Okay, then make a small curve, then again slanting line. First you have to make a standing line, curve, then again slanting line, and you have to make one slanting line here and another one you have to make in this way. Then start from here to the another red line, then make a round, Then you have to make a curve here. And again you have to make a slanting line. First standing line, then curve, then you have to make slanting line, then again you have to make one more slanting line here, and again you have to make another slanting line here. Then start from here and take this line to the red line, make a round, make curve, then you have to make a slanting line. K. What is this? Alphabet K. Now we will do practice for alphabet L. First you have to make a round, make standing line, then you have to make a round, then you have to make one more round from up side to the down one, then start from here and come to the red line and then make a simple round like this. First make standing line, then round, then you have to make one more round here like this. Then you have to start from here, you have to go to the red line and then make a round. What is this? Alphabet L. You have to practice for alphabet I, alphabet J, alphabet K, alphabet L. Stay healthy, stay safe. Do this work on your fair notebooks. Thank you.